Meaning of earpiece.
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 Earpiece. An earpiece is a small device that is designed to fit inside the ear and is used for listening to audio or receiving communications. It is commonly used in a variety of settings, including in telecommunication devices such as mobile phones, two-way radios, and music players. Earpieces can either be wired or wireless, and they come in a variety of shapes and sizes to fit different ear shapes and preferences. They allow for hands-free communication and are often used by people who need to keep their hands free while performing other tasks.